everybody. My name is Daryl and my channel is Daryl Goes Shopping. And I should probably change the name to Daryl Shops at Temu because that's pretty much been everything I've been doing. But I have a very small haul today, but I'm getting ready to go on vacation and I want to get these pieces into my rotation, and so I thought I would just make a nice short little video and show you what I got. Plus I was trying this on and I thought, well, why don't I make a video? It's on me already, right? There we go. I think this is the first long pants set that I have bought, and I'm not mad at it. Isn't it cute? I like it. Open like this, but I think it's cute too with it tucked in, and I'll show you that. Isn't this print pretty? Gonna do a half tuck now here in the front, and I'm gonna, well, let's see how we're out without. And then I kind of like the sleeves zhuzhed up. They don't want to stay up. Now is when you wish you'd bought one of those sleeve holder uppers. Anyway. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm not sure where I would wear it. It's pretty wild for Seattle, but I don't think it's going to be wild for Florida. So we may take it along. I don't know also how warm this polyester is going to be. So let's see how this looks like opened up like this. I like it. I thought I would try a brighter lipstick on today. This is a Temu lipstick, and it seems to be that no matter what shade I pick, I think I'm picking a brownish pink shade or a nude, and I always get a reddish orange shade. This is the coolest thing I bought, and I bought 3 of them, so check this out. What is it, you ask? It is going to, one of them I already have in place in one of my gardens. And this is going to be a pathway that goes to our gate. And so let me lay it out and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, here's, first of all, is how long it is. Woo! It smells like cedar. There, I should use it as my runway. Isn't it pretty? I think it was like $25 or $30, which I thought was pretty good. Okay, so this is now from I think last week sometime, but I didn't make it into the haul with it. And I think it is so cute that I really wanted to show it to you. It is obviously a denim shirt, and it has this cute patch in the back. And it's just this kind of all over worn wash, vintage wash that I really like. And I had it on earlier as a jacket. And it just looked really cute. But here we'll have a denim on denim look. So this is cuter than I expected it to be. I didn't expect it to be 2 layers and to be all floaty. and all over embroidered. Isn't that pretty? And I've got it paired up with these super cute shoes, which you can't see, I'm sure. But I'll show them to you. They are very, very comfy. See this? And of course they're plastic, or oh wait, they're vegan leather. But they're really quite comfortable. And this is the other pair I got, and I've already been out digging in the garden with these. Probably not the best foot protection, but they are so comfortable. I would totally wear this. All right, you guys have seen this shirt before, and super happy with this one. Heck, I would buy this in every color, honestly. I think it is so cute, and I'm really kind of liking yellow right now. I think I finally settled on the right size. This is a medium. So I would say in the colored ones of these shirts to get a medium. And unless you want it oversized, but then they gape a little bit right here. And in the larges, so far my experience has been is that they run small. And so don't size down in the whites. In the white ones, unless you want it to be tight. I don't like tight. I wanted to put this one back on with the undergarment on under it because I think it makes all of this lay a lot nicer. So ignore my strappage. I would wear a beautiful strapless Temu bra here with this. But I wanted to see what it looked like wearing this piece as a jacket. And hopefully the top will kind of peek out a little bit. Cute. Yeah. It's okay. Okay. Well, I wonder how long I can wear this before this goes blink. Maybe a while. I bought this before in light blue and in a size large, and it was really, really big. So I sized down to a medium on this one. And as you can see, it is still a very generous cut. I like the sleeves pushed up, and I would probably do a bit of a half tuck and then call it good. I love off the shoulder tops. Now let's see if I pull my hair back if this is gonna shoot up. Not too bad. This is so soft. It's a soft polyester cottony kind of eyelet. And the sleeves have just a nice ruffle at the wrist. I think it's very feminine and pretty. So that's my short video, you guys. Oh, one more thing. Now, honestly, don't know what I'm gonna do with these. because they have very short stems. I mean, I think they'd be just a cute little kind of posy thing in a little maybe mason jar, but they're almost good enough for this. I've got it in the wrong side, don't I? I have to go like this. Let's see. Ouch. Yeah. Poke yourself in the eye while you're at it. Oh no, I like this. Okay, you guys. I think we better call this the end. Please subscribe if you haven't, and if you have, I thank you so much. I have 450 subscribers. See, you think I don't look at those? So I will keep doing these videos, and hopefully I will get more subscribers, and we can all just have a chat in the comments about things we like and things we don't like, and what looks good and what doesn't. I appreciate y'all. Happy Easter.